Hi everyone, today we are diving into a vital system of our body, the respiratory system. It's the system that literally keeps us breathing. We'll explore how it works, its key components, and why it's crucial for our survival. So let's get started. The respiratory system is like a well organized transport system for oxygen and carbon dioxide. Its main job to bring oxygen into our bodies and remove carbon dioxide, a waste product. It consists of organs like the nose, trachea, lungs, and diaphragm working together to keep us alive. Now that we have a basic idea, let's zoom in and see each part in detail. First is nose and nasal cavity. It all starts at the nose, where air enters. The nasal cavity filters, warms, and moistens the air, making it easier for our lungs to handle. Plus, those tiny nose hairs, they trap dust and particles to keep the air clean. Second is pharynx and larynx. Next, the air moves through the pharynx and the larynx, which is often called the voice box. This is where sound production happens as air passes through the vocal cords. Third is trachea. Air continues its journey through the trachea or windpipe. It's a tube-like structure that splits into two bronchi leading to each lung. Fourth is bronchi. The bronchi further divides into smaller branches called bronchioles, just like a tree with branches spreading out. These bronchioles end in a tiny air sac called alveoli. Fifth is lungs and alveoli. Our lungs contain millions of these alveoli, where the magic happens. Gas exchange. Here, oxygen from the air enters our blood and carbon dioxide from the blood is expelled. We have met the key players now. Let's see how they work together during the process of breathing. Inhalation. When we breathe in, the diaphragm contracts and moves downward, creating more space in the chest cavity. This allows the lungs to expand, drawing air into the alveoli. Then the gas exchange is happen in the alveoli. Oxygen passes through thin walls into the bloodstream, while carbon dioxide moves from the blood into the alveoli. These oxygen-rich bloods then travels throughout the body to supply our organs and tissues. Exhalation, breathing out. When we exhale, the diaphragm relaxes, moving upward. This reduces the space in the chest cavity, pushing air out of the lungs and expelling carbon dioxide. But what makes this process so crucial for us? Let's talk about the role of oxygen in our bodies. Oxygen is essential for cellular respiration, a process that happens in our cells to produce energy. Think of it like fuel for our cells. Without enough oxygen, cells can't generate the energy needed for everything, from muscle movement to brain function. That's why our body takes breathing so seriously. Now that we know how important oxygen is, let's discuss some common issues that can affect the respiratory system. Asthma. Asthma causes the airway to narrow, making breathing difficult, especially during an attack. It can be triggered by allergens, exercise, or stress. Second is chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Is often caused by smoking and leads to long-term breathing problems. It's a combination of chronic bronchitis and emphysema. Pneumonia. Pneumonia is an infection that inflames the air sacs, causing symptoms like cough, fever, and difficulty breathing. So, how can we take care of our respiratory systems and keep it healthy? Avoid smoking. Smoking is a leading cause of lung disease. Quitting smoking or avoiding secondhand smoke is one of the best ways to protect your lungs. Exercise regularly. Physical activities like walking or swimming improve lung capacity and strengthen the diaphragm. Stay hydrated. Drinking water helps keep the mucous membranes in the respiratory system moist, which aids in filtering out irritants. Alright, let's wrap up everything we have learned today. To sum up, the respiratory system is a complex yet fascinating system that keeps us alive by delivering oxygen and removing carbon dioxide. Understanding how it works helps us appreciate the importance of taking good care of our lungs and overall health. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more content.